I've been doing Alex's course for about a week and a half to 2 weeks now. We've found a few products already. He's gone through it with me, rung me weekly, which is good. Gives me great advice. I've had a few products ideas that I thought were good but weren't good at the time, and he just reassured me why they're not good, and we found a few more better products at the moment. Talking to suppliers and getting my samples in the next month or so. So yeah, it's a good course. I definitely recommend it. The biggest challenge was finding a good product. Being certain that it is the right product to do. I was picking electrical products for my first one, which probably Alex told me probably not the best. Too many moving parts. But yeah, now I've got a good product and I'm pretty happy with it. Oh, the support's amazing. I get a response pretty much instantly. Phone calls are good. Skype calls, video calls. Yeah, it's been good. In the 2 weeks I've been doing this course, I've found 10 good profitable products. Best one is about 30k a month, which is yeah, pretty good. Low reviews, and yeah, pretty happy with it. I definitely recommend Alex. Like I said, you get the support pretty quickly. It's a good course, and getting those phone calls and those Skype calls are definitely going to help you.